Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna unboxing this interesting thing. Can you guess? This is Tayo mini car set. I bought this product from Amazon. I heard this mini car is absolutely different with original minibus toys in Amazon. It's like Baby Tayo and friends. I'm so excited to see this. Let's start. It looks like just normal box. And there is barcode in here. Okay, I'll unbox this now. Oh yes, this product is shipped with this bubble wrap. I think this is for collision prevention. As you see, there's no damage and good condition. There are 9 packs in here. I'll show you one by one. There are Tayo, Rani, Gani, Bongbong, Rogi, Kinder, Nuri, Hurt, and Pet. The product is individually packaged in transparent plastic, so you can see these mini cars at once. Now, I'm going to open the packages. Here we go. Oh, they're so cute. It's metal and it moves smoothly. You can find these products by searching Tayo mini car on Amazon. I think this product is good for your kids or grandchildren's gift. Have fun with this mini car.